Hey guys, what's going on? This is the ultimate guide to making money with your drone. Part 4. It's time to master your market. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. RT Off the Dome Media Group. Let me first apologize for taking so long getting this one out. Things have been very crazy around here. So let's get right to it. So in the last video, we went through the steps of creating a legal business entity for your new drone business. If you haven't seen that one, I'll throw a link up here so you can check it out and then come back and continue with this one. Now it's time to master your market. This topic alone could easily be an entire series in itself. But for the sake of time, I've broken it down into 3 key parts to get you going. Identifying your customer base, competition, and pricing. For each of the 3 parts, you're going to ask yourself 6 questions. Once you answer them, you'll be well on your way to mastering your market. Those 6 questions you probably already know. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Let's start with identifying your customer base. First question is, who is your customer base? This one is easy. What customer base are you going to focus your business at? What's your target? Example. If you're going to shoot videos, are you going to focus on corporate or music videos? What's your niche? Next question, what is your customer base looking for? Is it cheap videos with a quick turnaround time or high quality 4K video with a mid-range budget? Find the need and fill it. Up next is when. When do they need your drone services? Is it year-round or is it seasonal? Will your schedule allow for flexibility to accommodate the customer's needs? Next is where. Where is your customer base located? As a new business, typically you can't afford to market to an entire state or a city. Subdividing the areas by zip code or neighborhood makes the areas more manageable. Here's a tough one. Why? Why should the customer do business with you? What's your value proposition? How are you better than the other guys? There's 2 old sales and marketing sayings that live to this day. Promise less and deliver more. And as a bonus, always exceed the customer's expectations. The last question for identifying your market base is how. How are you planning to market to your customer base? Are you going door to door? Ads in the newspaper or local papers? Online, Facebook, Instagram? How do you plan on getting in front of your customers? We'll talk more about that in the next video. The next part in mastering your market is learning about your competition. The first question is simple. Who is your competition? Is your competition a large corporation, a small company, or an individual? Pretend to be a customer and call the competition in your area. Learn all you can. To quote Sun Tzu, all war is based on deception. Next, in what market are they doing business? Is it a market that you plan on working? Again, learn all you can. Now for the when. When are they marketing? All year, seasonal, holidays, special events? Next question is where. Where is your competition leaving gaps or openings that you can move your business into? Next is why. Why are they successful or not? If they are successful, rob and duplicate until you have successful methods of your own. If they're not successful, obviously you're not going to use their methods. Use proven methods that we'll discuss in the next video. Lastly, how are they marketing? What techniques are they using? And again, are they successful? Next is who. Who is willing to pay for your services? This one goes hand in hand with who is your customer base. Next, what is the competition charging for similar services? This information will help you set your pricing structure. If there is no competition, check surrounding markets or neighborhoods to get an idea as to how you can price your services. Next is when is payment being made? Half up front, half upon completion, a small deposit, and the balance due after you're complete. Next is where. After you've done your research and determined your price structure, do you price at, above, or below the competition? Are you going to provide the same level of quality and service as the competition? If so, price yourself accordingly. But you may want to consider offering a discount of some type, at least in the beginning. You may even want to offer your services free to new customers. But again, we'll talk more about that in the next video. The last question is why. Why is the competition priced the way they are? Are they too low, too high, just right? Make sure you do your homework. If you do your homework, you'll have a wealth of raw data to help you make your decisions. I also suggest checking out some great books that I've read over the years, like Guerilla Marketing, The E-Myth Revisited, and of course the classic Sun Tzu, The Art of War. I'll put links in the description so you can check them out. I know I went a little long on this one, as I usually do, but you have some great information to keep you moving. Stay tuned for the next video where you'll actually learn how to start getting customers and earning money. That's it on this one. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.